Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for experiment problems. Find the critical numbers for the situation given, hence determine the points of inflection. So number 1, we have the fx which is equals to x to the power 4 minus 8 multiplied with the x to the power of 3 plus we have the 18x squared minus 27. Step number 1, we have the function fx in terms of x. Step number 2, differentiate the situation with respect to x. So we have 4x to the power 3 minus we have the 24x to the power 2 plus we have the 36x, then we have the 0. Differentiate for the second time. So here we have 12x squared minus 48x plus with the 36. Next, number 3 is to find the critical numbers. So we have the f prime x is equals to 0. So kindly substitute. We have to factor out the x and also the 4. So 4x bracket, we have x squared minus 6x plus with the 6. Plus with the 9 equals to 0. So 4x multiplied with the x minus the 3, x minus the 3. So x is equals to 0, x is equals to 3 will be the critical numbers. Next is to find the value y. So when x equals to 0, kindly substitute into this part and we will have the value of y which is equals to negative 27. So if we substitute x equals to 3 and the value of y will be equals to 0. So here we have the point 0, negative 27, 3, 0. Next, number 4, by using the second derivative test, find the inflection point. So we have f double prime. If we substitute the 0, kindly refers to this part. And we will have 36. F double prime, if we substitute 3, and we will have 0. So for this case, it will be greater than 0. So it is the minimum point. And then for this case, it is equals to 0. It might be an inflection point. But what we have to do is to, by referring to the first derivative test, then only we can decide whether this is an inflection point or not. So our focus will be the number 3. So here we have the number line and we have the 3. Left hand side, negative infinity until the 3, where the 3 is not included. And then from the 3 until infinity. So here we have the 2 interval. Then the suggested value. So we can consider as the test value. Let's say here we have the value 2 and this one we have the value 4. By using the first derivative test, so if we substitute the value 2 into this part and we have the positive value. So if we substitute into the value 4 and we will have a positive value as well. So meaning that we have the increasing and also the increasing. So this one can consider as already inflection point. Double confirm by using the second derivative test again. So in here we have the negative value if we substitute the value 2 into the second derivative function. Then we substitute the value 4 and we will have the positive value. So from here the situation is concave downward and then for this part is concave outward. So again, we can consider this is the inflection point. So from here, the inflection point is 3, 0. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.